Discover the ultimate countertop oven. The Hamilton Beach Countertop Oven with Convection and Rotisserie is the kitchen companion you've been waiting for, offering the perfect balance of style, practicality, and performance. This compact yet powerful oven brings full-size oven capabilities right to your kitchen counter. With its versatile cooking options, spacious interior, and energy-efficient design, this oven is a game-changer for busy families, apartment dwellers, snack enthusiasts, and anyone seeking convenient and efficient cooking solutions. Let's delve into the fantastic features that make this countertop oven a must-have addition to your culinary arsenal. Rotisserie chicken at home. Do you find yourself irresistibly drawn to the mouth-watering aroma of rotisserie chicken at the grocery store deli? Now, you can recreate that succulent and versatile rotisserie chicken right in your kitchen. Say goodbye to dinner dilemmas as rotisserie chicken becomes the base for a wide range of delicious meals. From hearty chicken salads to comforting chili and even delectable barbecue chicken pizza. With the Hamilton Beach Countertop Oven's built-in rotisserie feature, you can savor the taste and convenience of restaurant-quality rotisserie chicken in the comfort of your home. Double baking options with convection technology. Whether you're preparing a classic dinner casserole or a delightful fall favorite like apple crisp, the 9 inches by 13 inches pan is a kitchen essential. The Hamilton Beach Countertop Oven takes baking convenience to the next level by fitting two 9 inches by 13 inches pans simultaneously, just like a conventional oven. But what sets it apart is the inclusion of convection technology, ensuring even heat distribution for perfectly cooked dishes every time. With convection baking, enjoy crispy pizzas, perfectly browned cookies, and irresistibly crunchy taquitos, or switch to traditional baking for soft and moist cupcakes, cakes, and baked goods. Versatility at your fingertips. Say goodbye to the hassle of heating your entire kitchen or juggling multiple burners on your stovetop. The Hamilton Beach Countertop Oven offers extra capacity for second oven convenience in 4 cooking modes: bake, convection, broil, and rotisserie. Whether you're baking for holidays or hosting large gatherings, this countertop oven delivers time-saving solutions by working in tandem with your regular oven. Its generous capacity fits 2 12 inches pizzas, 2 9 inches by 13 inches casseroles, or 2 cake pans, making it the ideal cooking companion for big occasions. Unparalleled features for superior cooking. The Hamilton Beach Countertop Oven leaves no room for compromise. It boasts an extra-large capacity, accommodating 2 12 inches pizzas or 2 9 inches by 13 inches casseroles, making it perfect for family feasts and gatherings. The revolving rotisserie ensures juicy and flavorful meats, while the self-basting function locks in the food's succulence and creates a crispy, golden brown exterior. Equipped with convection technology, this oven bakes faster and more evenly than traditional ovens, delivering consistent and delicious results. The intuitive design includes easy-to-use contoured knobs, providing both maneuverability and enhanced safety. Transform your cooking experience. Embrace the versatility and efficiency of the Hamilton Beach Countertop Oven with Convection and Rotisserie. From quick weeknight dinners to elaborate feasts, this compact yet powerful oven handles it all with ease. Enjoy the convenience of restaurant-quality rotisserie chicken. Expand your baking horizons with dual baking options, and choose from 4 cooking modes to suit your culinary needs. With its sleek design and practical features, this countertop oven is a space-saving, time-saving, and flavor-enhancing addition to your kitchen. Make the Hamilton Beach Countertop Oven the centerpiece of your culinary adventures and elevate your cooking experience to new heights.